Classmates, this is problem 28, page 88. And in this problem, we're going to determine the interest component. Remember, a payment has two components, interest and principal. The interest component of the 238th payment of a 240-month, $100,000 mortgage. And let's assume interest is compounded monthly at an annual rate of 6%. First thing to do in this problem is to calculate the payment. So 100,000 is your PV, that's the amount you borrowed today. And in the problem it says payments are end of month, so that clues you into the idea that we have an ending setting. $100,000 is the present value, so that's why we're working with the present value of an annuity, since we know that amount that we borrow today is $100,000 because it is the present value of an annuity. 6 divided by 12 is I. 240N, 0FV, compute the payment. So the payment is $716.43. And notice I'm writing these down at time periods 240, 239, 238, and here at time period 237, one period before the 238th payment, we want to find the present value of the remaining payments. Remember, to find the amount you owe on a mortgage at any point in time, you discount the remaining payments. So that's all we're doing here. So enter $716.43 as a payment, 3N, 0FV, compute PV, and that's $2127.97. And that's the present value of these three remaining cash flows. Another way to view this amount is this. This is the amount, $2127, that you owe immediately after you make the 237th payment. So remember back to the amortization schedule. Interest is principal times rate times time. So the interest component of this payment here, the 238th payment, is the principal amount outstanding one period before this payment times the interest rate per period, in this case 0.005, and 0.06 divided by 12, that's how we get 0.005. So 2127.97 times 0.005, that's interest of $10 and approximately 64 cents. And that's the interest component of the payment. Notice you're toward the end of the mortgage here. Immediately after this payment, 240th payment, you have a zero balance in the account. Being toward the end of the mortgage, most of your payment, most of the component of the payment is in principal. Very small component of the payment is in interest. And that concludes this problem.